Alrighty, how is everyone doing today? And welcome to my channel. This channel is for educational purposes, and we try to help you discover great theories, concepts, and discoveries that you aren't familiar with, things that the powers that be don't want you to know about because they could really help you with your spiritual, mental, and physical health. And this is a segment that we have called the Q-tip of the spear. We look at some of the tip of the spear podcasters out there on the info war, diggers, anons, and truthers, conspiracy theorists, and just reflect on some of the things that we've heard. And I actually haven't been doing too much of that recently, I think because um, I've shifted priorities, I guess. At some point along the way, I determined that the game was over and that we have won. We have defeated the globalists. Um, I won't say that we have defeated them. I will say that um, it's a blowout and there's no way that they can come back um, unless we made like every mistake that we could possibly make. And therefore, I think that we need to relinquish our, um, holding up in these rabbit holes in order to, keep the fight up, keep the InfoWar fight up, and redeploy to different rabbit holes that are deeper and wider that uh, we'll have to um, we'll have to dig, uh, because the truthers haven't done deep enough digging. The truthers have figured out what's going on in the 20th and 21st centuries, but to a great extent have not um, applied those lessons back through history. It doesn't matter how far back you go in history. It's all psychological operations, hoaxes, false flags, spectacles, and the like. Nothing is real. So if you believe in something that goes back to history, you're going to need to reassess those beliefs. You're going to need to red pill those beliefs. You're going to need to put them under scrutiny the same way you put all the other stuff under scrutiny from the 20th and 21st centuries. The way that you put the Kennedy assassination under scrutiny, or 9/11 under scrutiny, or COVID-19 under scrutiny. You checked all the aspects, you dug up the documents, and you know, went over them with a fine-tooth comb, and um, you know, checked out all side references in those documents, that referred to other things. You dug into the footnotes of, the documents and went into other documents. Well, these are the things that you're going to need to be doing when it has to do with a deeper dive into the origins of your civilization, your culture, your heritage, and your religion and your holy books. And you're going to find that these things don't stand the test of time either. And they're going to have to be massively altered. And that's unfortunate, but it's necessary. Um, without doing that, we would move forward into the golden age. Because the results, if we win, we defeat the globalists, well, then we're in control. And if we're in control, that means that we are the ones who implement the agenda or you know, the rules. And if our agenda, our beliefs, our, uh, you know, understanding of what is good and right and, you know, um, if that is skewed in any way, if that's not accurate, then we've got problems because we're gonna do the same thing that the deep state did. Just a lot of false consciousness, a lot of false beliefs, false, you know, um, rituals, false, uh, educational systems. So this is really necessary that this gets done before we go too far into the process. And that's why I suggest redeploying right now, because you're not going to be really needed at this point. Um, you know, Everybody who is awake is already awake. And the catatonic, the ones who are just can't wake up, they're going to be shocked into uh, awakening, shocked out of their slumber by just the blunt force of these really obtuse um, operations that you're watching in the news every day. Just these are too crass and too just um, amateurish for truthers. They are meant for the people that are, not, masters of the obvious. They only can get it if it's like hitting them in the face. They're not going to see patterns or, you know, um, discern nuances. They just need to be hit like with a, uh, like a, um, cast iron pan. Just some blunt thing that just hits them in the head and wakes them up. Um, things like, you know, false flags, assassination attempts, and school shootings and terrorist attacks, and probably weather warfare, and um, along with a great deal of indictments and legal maneuvering, um, guilty people confessing, and guilty people looking really guilty a lot and fleeing to other countries, and all of it's going to come down here in the next couple months. And instead of sitting around and eating popcorn and getting ready, to watch your favorite villain get fried, you should instead keep an eye on the real mission here and finish the job. And, you could say that we're not finishing the job because we got to win this. But really, finishing the job is the implementation. We have to be able to implement things. And so we have to be red pilled thoroughly in order to do that. And we're not right now. So there's a lot of work that needs to be done. So instead of um, taking your time and watching the other side suffer, even though, I have great sympathy for that position, and, maybe you can do it a little bit or whatever, but you should be redeploying and getting ready for the next phase because it's going to be needed. Um, okay, like, share, subscribe, comment, contribute, and we will see you next time on the Q-tip of the spear. Thanks for tuning in today and have a great day.